Next title is D minus fructose. It is also called labulose or fruit sugar. The chemical formula of D minus fructose is similar to that of D plus glucose. So let us start with the introduction. It is one of the three dietary monosaccharide along with glucose and galactose that are directly absorbed into blood during the digestion. Fructose was discovered by French chemist Augustin Pierre Duferin in 1847. The name fructose was coined in 1857 by English chemist William Allen Miller. It occurs free along with glucose in honey and sweet fruit. In the combined form, it is a component of many disaccharide and polysaccharides. So let us start with the first method of preparation of D minus fructose. It will having two methods. The first method is the laboratory preparation. In laboratory, it is prepared by hydrolysis of sucrose with dilute sulfuric acid. In this case, fructose will get formed along with glucose. So after the hydrolysis, the acetic solution is neutralized with barium carbonate. The precipitated barium sulfate is removed by filtration. The filtrate is treated with slaked lime. When calcium fructosate is precipitated out while calcium glucosate remain in the solution. So this precipitated calcium fructosate, it is removed by the simple filtration, and finally this calcium fructosate, it can decompose by passing carbon dioxide and it will get converted into fructose and calcium carbonate. In last, the precipitate of calcium carbonate is filtered out and the filtrate, which can contains fructose only, is concentrated out to get the crystal of fructose. So it is the laboratory preparation. Then commercial preparation. On commercial scale, fructose is obtained by the hydrolysis of inulin with the help of dilute sulfuric acid. Inulin is a polysaccharide occurring in Dahlia tuber and Jerusalem architalk. In this case, the excess of acid is also neutralized with barium hydroxide and the precipitated barium sulfate is filtered out. The filtrate is finally concentrated by the evaporation under reduced pressure, and finally the crystal of fructose are obtained. So it is the commercial method used for the production of fructose. Then physical properties of D minus fructose. First one is the physical state. Fructose is a colorless crystalline solid having melting point 393 Kelvin with decomposition and having a sweet taste. It is soluble in water and alcohol, and it is more soluble as comparison to the glucose in these solvents. Then sweetness. Fructose is sweetest of all sugar. It is 75% more sweet as comparison to the sucrose. Last is the optical activity. It exhibits optical activity and is levorotatory in nature. So due to which it is also called levulose. It is only the common natural occurring monosaccharide that having the levorotatory conformations. So it is all about the physical properties of D minus fructose. Next is the chemical properties of D minus fructose. The fructose has combined chemical properties of ketonic group and hydroxyl groups. It is presented as a open chain pentahydroxyketone in which two are the primary hydroxyl group and three are the secondary hydroxyl group. So let us start with the chemical reaction of D minus fructose. The first category is the reaction of ketonic groups. So let us start with the first reaction with hydrogen cyanide. In this case, fructose react with hydrogen cyanide and the resultant product is fructose cyanohydrine will get formed. The second reaction is reaction with hydroxylamine. Fructose react with hydroxylamine to form fructose oxime. So this is the hydroxylamines. Next reaction is reaction with phenyl hydrazine. On treatment with equimolar quantity of phenyl hydrazine with fructose at room temperature, the phenyl hydrazone will get formed. In this case, 1 mole of phenyl hydrazine that will react with 1 mole of fructose. So next is the formation of osazone. If the fructose is treated with phenyl hydrazine in excess, it can form osazone, which is identical to the glucosazone. So let us discuss the mechanism of the formation of osazone. It will having two mechanisms. The first mechanism, that is the fission mechanism. In this case, first mole of phenyl hydrazine that will get react with fructose. It can lose the water molecule, and first of all this intermediate compound will get formed. Then in second step, the second molecule of the phenyl hydrazine that will get react. It can lose 1 mole of aniline and 1 mole of ammonia, so that this intermediate compound will get formed. In the last step, the third mole of the phenyl hydrazine will get formed with the loss of water molecule, and finally the fructazone will get formed, which is the final product. This fission mechanism have some limitation, and it is similar to the limitation of the fission mechanism in case of glucose. Phenylhydrazine is a strong reducing agent. Therefore, how it acts as an oxidizing agent in the second step of the proposed mechanism. This mechanism does not justify why only two carbon atoms are involved in the ozone formations. To overcome these limitations, another more satisfactory mechanism has given, which is called modern mechanism. So let us discuss it. In this case, the first mole of phenylhydrazine that will get react with fructose with the loss of water molecule. First of all, this intermediate compound will get formed. Then this intermediate compound, it will undergo rearrangement to give this hydrogen bonded intermediate. Then this hydrogen bonded intermediate, it can lose a 1 mole of aniline to give aminoaldehyde. So this aminoaldehyde will get formed. Then second molecule of phenylhydrazine, that is added to this aminoaldehyde so that this another intermediate will get formed. In last, the third molecule of phenylhydrazine, that is added to this intermediate so that the final product will get formed. So it is the modern mechanism. Then next is the reduction. Fructose is readily reduced with catalytical by sodium amalgam and water to form a mixture of two stereoisomer. Similarly, on reduction with concentrate hydroiodic acid in the presence of phosphorus at 373 Kelvin, fructose yield N-hexane and 2 iodohexanes. So it is all about the reduction. Then oxidation. With mild oxidizing agent such as bromine water, there is no reaction will take place with fructose. However, a strong oxidizing agent such as nitric acid oxidize fructose to a mixture of 3 acids. In this case, two reactions are possible. The first one is that if the oxidative cleavage of carbon number 1 and 2 will take place, then trihydroxyglutaric acid will get formed along with carbon dioxide and water. And second possibility is that if the carbon number 2 and 3 will undergo oxidative cleavage, then glycolic acids and tartaric acid will get formed. So it is the oxidation with concentrate nitric acid. Next is the reducing nature. Unlike simple ketone, fructose can reduce failing solution and Tollens reagent. So these are the tests for the fructose in the laboratory. and these reactions are most probably is due to the Lavoie de Broglie Ankenstein rearrangement of the solution. Next is the reducing nature. Unlike simple ketones, fructose can reduce Fehling solution and Tollern reagent. So it is a test for fructose at laboratory level, and these reactions are most probably due to Lavoie de Broglie Ankenstein rearrangement of fructose to form an equilibrium mixture of glucose, mannose, and fructose in alkaline solution. So this reaction is similar to the case of the glucose. So it is all about the reaction of ketonic group. Then next category is reaction of hydroxyl group. So let us consider the reaction in this case. First category is acetylation. In this case, fructose reacts with acetic anhydride to form the pentaacetate. So 5 mole of acetic anhydride that will react with fructose to get the fructose pentaacetate. Then next is formation of fructoside. In this case, fructose reacts with methyl alcohol in the presence of anhydrous hydrogen chloride to form a mixture of methyl fructoside. So in this case, alpha beta methyl fructoside will get formed. Then formation of fructosate. Fructose reacts with metallic hydroxide such as calcium hydroxide, and in this case insoluble calcium fructosate will get formed. Then the next category is the other reaction. So in this case the main reaction is fermentation. Like glucose, fructose can also undergo fermentation in the presence of yeast to yield the ethyl alcohol. Then action with acids. On heating fructose with concentrate hydrochloric acid, it will form levulinic acids. So it is the reaction with hydrochloric acids. Then action of alkalis on warming with dilute alkalis. Fructose give an equilibrium mixture containing plus glucose, plus mannose, and minus fructose. So these are the chemical properties of D minus fructose.